India is currently the second largest producer of several dry fruits and is the second largest producer of wheat and rice, the world's major food staples. Hi friends, all of you very good morning. As per my daily videos in the part of agriculture, would like to describe some points to more developments in agriculture field in favor of our respective farmers. I am Ramana Velmala. Welcome to my channel.
As per the voice of our second Prime Minister of India, Sri Lal Bahadur Shastri, Jai Jawan Jai Kisan, the most important aspect of human life is that it is just only agriculture since a long generations. The farming method has been developing a little since the time of primitive man and is very close to man with many moral values. If there is any aid to promote human progresses, is that only an agriculture. Those who are making a living by choosing such agriculture as a profession, such we known as farmers. The crop grown by the farmer supports this whole life cycle. Everyone is prosperous because the farmer believes in the land and does the hardest farming with his hand working. The farmer is feeding the people for so many generations. The things those linked with our daily life that we are buying from the shops and or markets with expense of some price, and that rate will include that object making charges like as purchasing, cost investment, labor charges and some profit by manufacturer. But the farmer also will keep so much of investment on his agriculture field without any thinking of profit. And when they will take that crop to dealers, the dealers are fixing the rates to farmers' crop as their possibility. And at same time farmers should sell their crop according to dealers' rate without any hesitate. In case if the farmer will not sell his crop to dealer, that crop will be the waste in his farms. So he should sell his crop compulsory to a dealer for a long while. Many people have done their research about the differences arise in preaching of crop value, but they could not find the answer and solution and the reason till date. Appropriately, this method continues from a long while. The farmers will take loans from the banks and at their villages, and they will keep the investment on their crop fields. And due to the reasons of natural disasters like climate, heavy rains, flood, or lack of water affected by creatures, if the crop will become smash and it is so hard to digest, and at last if crop will become to the hand, and due to these dealers the farmers are not getting the correct value of their crop, that the reasons farmers cannot able to pay their loans in time. So this my video is dedicating to that farmers and their families. I think the real freedom to farmers is that when they will fix a rate to their crop. We are seeing so much of technology changing and other developments in other so many fields, but we are not seeing any change in this agriculture field. So when this change will come into the agriculture field, I think our farmers will be happier. We have seen in the previous year so much of crop is being wasted in the farms of farmers because they have waited long time to sell their crops to the dealers But after the involvement of government, the farmer's crop has been sold by the government nominated agencies, Dhanyam Konugolu Kendralu, in the village and mandal levels.
Last year, paddy crop was damaged by many natural disasters like heavy rainfall, and it took a long time for farmers to sell the rest of the paddy bags, while not giving an actual price to that crop. We have seen that farmers suffering a lot as the paddy is not good traders. It hurts so much when we see things like this. However, it is my opinion that good things will happen to the farmers. Currently, the central government and the state government are playing by giving attractive schemes to most of the farmers. Behalf of this, our sincere thanks and regards to this government for their good service. If you like this content, please subscribe and share. Until then, bye bye. Meet with next interested video. Thank you.